Hello, let me try to help you fix your issues with mobile data network. If you have some problems with mobile data, it doesn't work properly, then what you can do, first of all, is go to the settings. Then let's go to connections. Now we're gonna choose SIM manager. And then over here we have mobile data. We want to make sure that the mobile data is set to the correct SIM card. Now, this might be completely disabled, of course, so you want to choose one of your SIM cards. If you have just one, then of course you only have one choice besides off. If you have more than one SIM card, if you have two SIM cards inserted in your device, then of course you want to make sure that the correct SIM card is selected over here. Another thing that you can do is reset or actually turn off and on your SIM card. So over here, you have this switcher that you can press. Now, of course, this option is available only if you have two SIM cards. So if you have just one, then you can't really do that. And besides that, what you need to do is make sure that the airplane mode is disabled, because sometimes we may turn airplane mode on by accident. And of course, this causes some features to be disabled, such as Wi-Fi and, of course, mobile data network. So keep that in mind. Now, the next thing that we can do is go back to the settings, and this time you're going to scroll all the way down and go to General Management. Now, over here, we need to find reset, and then let's go here. And what we can do is reset mobile network settings. You want to select this option and then confirm that you want to do that. Of course, this will reset everything that is related to mobile network. All settings will be restored to default, so keep that in mind. So if you made some changes, you might need to get back to them and reconfigure them. However, of course, be aware that some of these changes that you may have done might be the cause of your issues. So once you reset, of course, you need to enter the screen lock password, then confirm that you want to do that, and there we go. Network settings reset. So now what you can do is go back to the SIM manager settings, and of course you want to make sure that the mobile data is re-enabled to your correct SIM card. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!